Yo, what's up, crew? It's your boy Serrano back with something new. This is something that we're gonna take a look at right now. It's inside of this packaging, and we're gonna go ahead and rip that right open and take a look at what's inside. Now, let's go ahead. It says "I Better," the case, mobile case. I Better at the top. You can see right there, there's a sticker. It says new, made in China. Flipping it over to the back, it's telling you that it's a ultra slim custom fit, scratch resistant, jelly case, ultra thin, your normal stuff. Waterproof bag. Don't use this as a waterproof bag. Please don't do that. Your phone will get destroyed. Okay, so take that out. You can see the styrofoam inside. That looks like it's protecting it from any scratches during the transit, so that's pretty cool. It's not going to be all scratched up, but let's go ahead, clean this off a bit. Definitely got some fingerprints, oils, things like that collecting on the back of there. So let's demo this case really quickly. First off, wow, look at the inside of here. That almost looks like a beehive or like a honeycomb pattern or something like that. Really dope. Then on the sides, you got this like reflective thing going on, and the cutout right there has like these little air holes in it. And I really like the inside. Of course, you're not going to see that anytime whatsoever when the case is on there, but alright, so now the case is on, and you can see there's a groove right there in front of where the fingerprint is, which looks really nice. They have cutouts here for the headphone jack, which I could put my AKG headphones in perfectly fine. So that was definitely pretty cool that the cutout didn't have any problem whatsoever. Now I did actually have a little cord here. I could test out the USB right there with the stock cord. There was no problems putting that in either. So you can see it did have this cutout for the speaker, the USB, and the 3.5mm headphone jack with the the Google Assistant button right there on the side. Fingerprint sensor worked really responsively every single time I was pressing it. So I didn't have any problems when it came to the top 3.5mm headphone jack, and there was a microphone cutout at the top. They're right there. All the buttons were very responsive. They had like these little air holes in each button for a better like experience when it comes to the clicks. They even gave you this little keychain cutout for like putting like the lanyard through on the bottom right hand side of it. But honestly, the I Better case had that nice texture on the back, which was rubberized and had grip on it, and it was a case I could definitely appreciate. But if you found this album, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Peace. Later, crew. Have a good night. Peace.